Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make thumbnail with Grok. So what you're going to do is you have to go to grok.ai, sign in or create an account, use your existing account or sign up for a new one to start creating. So you can tap on sign up if you don't have an account yet, and then sign in if you have an account. You can log in with these options. For me, the easiest is log in via Google account, and this is what it looks like. Now go to or navigate to the image generation tool. Once logged in, you can tap or you can enter your prompt right here, or you can just basically click this create images and then start adding your prompt. So for example, this is the prompt like a futuristic laptop floating in mid-air, glowing holographic screen, excited young person pointing at it, vibrant neon colors, cinematic lighting, high contrast, YouTube thumbnail style. This is the sample. Basically, you can change this one, you can add more. Everything is up to you. So once an image is generated, you can download it to your device. So these are the samples. Aside from that, you can also use other prompts right here. For example, if you want to start a food content or food blog content, then you can use this prompt right here. Now, next is use an image editing tool. This one is optional to add text, logos, or other elements to your thumbnail. And I strongly suggest to use Canva because Canva is a free editing tool. Upload the image here on your Canva and then start adding text, add more elements, and then edit. You can add effects right here, edit font size, font color, and add more elements and anything here. So basically, this is what it looks like. Now you can go to your YouTube video settings and upload this thumbnail. Now you can share this also and make sure this one is PNG. So tips for effective thumbnails: high contrast, clear text, relevant imagery, and brand consistency. And this is how you make thumbnail with Grok. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.